welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my lock count. I kind of have an idea of how many I do have, but I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and jump into counting them, and I'm going to first put them up to pull them out and like split it in half because that would be easier. And I've been locked for 3 months now. August 12th made 3 months for me. Definitely know they're under 100. This is actually my second set of locks, and the first time I had 77 because I wanted more. So let's just jump into it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Yep, 39 over here. Get right into the second one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 41, 42. So 42 and 39. So I have 81 locks. All right, so I thought it was like 83. So it was either 83 or 81 is what I thought it was. So yeah, 81 locks. And well, that's because, no, that's not it. And I recently took this one out because it was too thick and split it into the other one. And that's where that one, that's why this one looks so brand new. But yeah, 3 months, 81 locks. My second set I had 88, and then I had to combine some. But I'm happy with the way they are right now, and I love them, and I'm happy I did it. Okay, so if you guessed, let me do a spin around. Okay. So yeah, 81 locks. 81 beautiful locks. All right, so I finally put that video out. I've been wanting to do that for a while, but it's out now. So go ahead, and if you enjoyed the video or you guessed a number, go ahead and write it in the comments below. Let me know what your lock count is and how long you've been locked for. Comment below, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.